Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today in front of me, I actually have the all-new auxiliary manufacturing pocket Bowie. Now, before I get started, he is actually having a huge drop on this December 8th, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll put a link right here as well as in the description, but fantastic knife. I've actually carried this bad boy for a little over a week now, something like that, maybe 7 or 8 days. I absolutely love it. It's such a great size, great for EDC, of course, self-defense. I mean, this thing feels fantastic in the hands, especially in reverse like this. I love that coffin-shaped handle. You know, those little classic Bowie details really stand out on this. Subtle recurve. I mean, look at that long sweeping swedge. That thing is super, super sexy. But for just regular standard use, I mean, this thing, it cuts like a champ. I've actually broke down some boxes and stuff like that with it. Nothing heavy, I haven't stabbed it in a tree or anything like that, but yeah. Nice performing little knife. I love the subtle recurve. I can't even talk today. It's a beautiful little design. He thinks it's his favorite so far. I might have to agree, though. A very close second is this wild card. Phenomenal freaking knife. You know, like I said, this is the first wrap job. All the other ones have been G10, and of course it's texture, but they just feel fantastic in hand. I love how this pommel actually is rounded off. Your thumb just basically fits right there perfectly on top. Just a fantastic little knife. You know me, I love Pacals anyway. And this little guy too. I actually went to Blade Show with this as my number one goal to get. No joke. The Rev, very, very popular design of his. Great for EDC. Big news on that. I'll let him announce that though. But anyway, fantastic knife. I mean, you really can't beat it for the money. I mean, 3/16. Let me read this real quick. Yeah, 3/16 thick AEBL stainless 61.5 HRC. Now the handle options available are the textured G10, black Mojave over ivory, OD green over orange, textured carbon fiber, and the resin soaked cord wrap. So definitely a lot of different variants. I'll put a picture up above as well so you can check it out. But I gotta say, over the past week of carrying it, I've absolutely fallen in love with it. And do I think it's his best design yet? Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree with him. I mean, like I said, it kind of fits with everything. I mean, even if you wanted to use this as a skinner, you could 100% do that. I mean, it's a little thick, but very, very nice edge geometry. I mean, it literally tapers off to nothing there. Super, super sharp. Now, presentation, of course, is on point. You can see it comes with this really cool patch design. I actually have this on my little Velcro wallet right now. Knives and shit. Of course, the business card. You see Michael Jarvis, got his phone number and everything there. Reach out if you want to contact him. You know, he does have an Instagram. I will be linking that up as well. Yeah, I love this sticker. I like who does his artwork though. They do a great job. Anyway, December 8th, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You're not gonna want to miss this. Such a great knife. I'm sure you've probably seen a couple other channels post their videos on it. Like I said, it's gonna be a big drop. So definitely want to get as many eyes on it as possible. I mean, for something like this, you honestly cannot beat that, especially for the price. I think they're right around like $250 to $260-ish, something like that. He did not put that on this piece of paper, but I believe I've seen it on a previous post of his. So yeah, all links in the description, website right there below. Go check it out, December 8th, 4 p.m., and I'll see you guys on the next one.